Assalamu alaikum. My name is Fahad and I am from fhtech.com. Today we will learn how to fix our website any redirection error, any null error, any plugin and theme error, and any database error. So let's start this thing, and this is the client side, and today we will learn about how to use WordFancy. So it may help to remove this error. So we have a shortcut also and we have a long cut also. So let's discuss. First of all, we will add a plugin WordFancy. I have a paid version. If you need, you can text me, and without any hesitation you can comment me. You can also text me on my social media, any platform, and you can see my all reviews on my comments that I have provided or not. And the other thing is, I'm installing WordFancy. This plugins help to remove any error, any redirection error, null error, plugin and theme error. It's for WordPress, not for file manager. It means FTP, full of server. So let's discuss. First thing is, I'm using WordFancy. First install this plugin. It's a free, and then we will use a premium plugin and we will upload. I will tell you how to upload and how to setting up. And the amazing thing is this plugins uh, also have a access to scan over file manager. Full file manager means full FTP. So let's start. First of all, I want to say the any database error, how to solve this. If you go to in any website like this is the .http access files. Where is it? Where is, yeah, install here. Here is the .http access file. Let me check. First thing is edit. Yeah, I want to just check. Yeah, you can see here is a default code now for that. So if you have feel any issue in your WordPress website, like in any maximum inputs executions or memory limit, post limit, maxi or whatever, you can solve from here. And you can also read it. Sometime we didn't access over WP admin dashboard. So then we can change this file, and we can upload from new, and we can download from wordpress.org and then upload here. And the other option is we can use codes, and we can remove all this code and just use our code from wordpress.org. And the other thing is, I'm just guiding about our main video. Purpose of main video is how to clean this website and the redirections. So next we will upload a plugin, premium plugin. Please be cooperate. I'm just go away for another topic because I don't want to waste your time. So your time is very important. Now I'm going to upload our fancy. So it's in uploading. Let's discuss about other things. You can solve another errors like database error. How to solve this database error? If you go in file manager and you will found wp config file, where is it? Yeah, you can just open this file in and you can read this code. And here is the db username and db user password and etc. All of these things. When we see any database error, we just see that this name is will be was changed due to any backdoor and any code that override this file. So first of all, I want to say, just check this thing. I mean, where is the permission, change the permission. Let's discuss that. Read group word. Okay, user group word, ये only this can read and write, only user can write. When we allow these permissions, then anyone can write. You know what mean of my these permissions? I'm not in condition, so I hope you will understand my. So we upload this word fancy. It helps to resolve the reduction issue and any null and theme issue. Okay, and we are talking about wp config that help to remove the database error. So go to installer. So let's scan this website. It have any permission? No, I think it don't need. Yeah, I think he already installed, already checked. So we start a new scan. Here's only 7 in I think it's in oh yeah, I think it's in only free version. So let I install in premium version, so it will help to reduce these all. So please be cooperate with my English. I'm a little bit weak in my English, so that's why I'm a student and I'm on the learning point and I'm trying many experiments. So that's why I'm upgrading myself and my English. So please be cooperate. I'm so sorry, I forgot one step. The step is about update your all themes and also update your all plugins that I have already updated. So let's click on installed, and then you scroll down. You can see I have upgraded all the plugins, and now we can go to scan. It's scanning now. It takes some time. That we can pause the video. Yeah, scan is completed, so you can see all the files. Just focus on the random name that have no meaning, like as you can see this thing have a random name. Who know this is maybe this is virus or not. So let's check the file. You need some familiar with WordPress and core, WordPress core and some of PHP. As you can see, it's a virus. So and the other thing is take care about all the WordPress files like wp config file. Yeah, you can see wp config file. So if we go to view details, you can see here's the molecular code. I know this code, I already have seen. So it's a redirection code that target many files, as you can see right in dot files. Yeah, here is you can see all the files 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. It have many files to target. So sometime we will see redirection issue. So here is the error code, we can remove it easily. No, it's not a big deal. And you need to check all the files. If you want to delete, you can delete. If you have some knowledge about WordPress core and PHP, you can delete it easily. If you don't have, you can just copy the code and you can search on Google and you can use chat gpt's. Okay, so let's discuss about yeah, this is a virus code we will remove from file manager. We can use file manager for this code. First we will remove all the codes that are conflicting and molecular files that have molecular code. Now it's deleted, just main one, that is wp config. Now we can edit manually. As we know, we already show the details. So now I'm going to file manager. So you can see here is the file of my website and you can open edit with wp config file. So next, click to next. Yeah, here you can see this code. We will just remove this code. Select the code and remove it. Then you can save changes. And now we will see our website. Go to, and I want to refresh, and now it takes some time to updating files. So it's refreshed. So let's check, is it any clickable redirection. Let's check. Now I'm clicking on this button. So yeah, it's working fine, it's perfect. Here's no redirection and no confliction. You can see website is working fine and the speed and the layout is everything is fine, no issue. Thank you for watching. If you need any help, you can text me when you want. Without any hesitation, you can text me. And if you need word fancy plugin, you can text me. I will send the link. And thank you for watching. Goodbye. Allah Hafiz.